YouTube, it's Lish. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a unboxing and initial product review of Saltair. Okay, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I bought two products, okay? I bought a deodorant and I bought a body oil. This is technically my first time ordering from Saltair. I did go to Target the other day and try to get an idea of one of the scents, but for those that don't know me, I am a vanilla girly. I love vanilla. So they just came out with, I believe, a new scent called Saltwater Vanilla. And this scent comes in a body wash, a body oil, the two different types of deodorant they have. But I didn't want to go crazy until I knew for a fact that I liked the scent. So I actually started by just getting the body oil in the Saltwater Vanilla. And for the deodorant, I actually got it in, I believe it's called Santal, Santal Bloom Serum Deodorant. I did get a chance to smell the Santal Bloom scent in person in store at Target the other day, and I did like it. Let me get all this out the way so we can talk about these products. Y'all didn't see that. So let's start with this, since this is their newest scent. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Glass bottle. It says Saltwater Vanilla Nourishing Body Oil. And this is about 4 fluid ounces. This body oil is formulated with a replenishing blend of oils, fermented Saurus? That sounds like a dinosaur. You know what? I'm just gonna put it on the screen. Y'all can read that, okay? It got some stuff in it. I'm just here for the glowingness of the oil and of course the scent. I love vanilla. So let's go to the usage. Warm a few pumps in the palms of your hands and massage onto still damp skin after a shower or bath. Okay. I'm not damp right now, okay? Like I took a shower earlier today, but what I'll do is I'll go ahead and dampen my leg for the purpose of trying this product, because I want to try it the way that they intend it to be tried. First, let's get into the scent. Okay, off of just taking off the cap, I can't smell anything, to be honest. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand just to see if I can get an idea of what it's gonna smell like. Oh, here we go. Okay, just put like a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Just to smell it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so there is like a nice kind of subtle vanilla scent. It's not overpowering. I don't feel like it's a complex scent. There's not like a lot of different notes that I'm getting. I'm really just getting vanilla. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I have my perfumes that have vanilla in it and all kind of other fragrance notes that I can just layer on top of this body oil. But having a nice base of vanilla, I'm happy with that. If you are looking for a body oil that is going to kind of contribute to like how you smell throughout the day, this probably isn't it, unless you're planning on layering some perfumes on top, which is probably what I'll end up doing. I actually am not mad at it being a subtle vanilla. It can kind of be my base for my perfumes. So this is how my arm is looking. The sheen, you kind of see it on camera compared to my arm without it. Let's go ahead and apply it to my legs. Don't judge me, I'm just gonna put my leg in the sink. Cause I don't know, like, don't judge me, y'all. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not, hold on, Okay, I got some water on my legs now. So we're gonna go in with the Saltair Saltwater Vanilla. It said to warm a few pumps, so I just did 4 pumps in my hand. I do feel like this oil is pretty light, which I like. Because mind you, I didn't put lotion on my legs. I literally just took a shower, and because I knew I was making this video, I didn't put nothing else on my legs because I wanted to really kind of just compare the sheen and how my skin felt with the oil on it. All right, I'm gonna take you with me because I want to get some sunlight on these legs so we can really kind of get a better idea of what we're looking like. Okay, this is what we're looking like. The one on the right is the leg that I applied my oil to, and the one on the left has no oil. It's just dry. Yeah, you can kind of compare the sheen on my right leg to the left. Like, it almost looks like it has more color. I think it's really like the glowiness of the oil that's kind of bringing out more of my melanin in my right leg. I like it, I like it. I might look into getting some more products from this line in the future, along with the Santal Bloom, because I already smelled that one and liked it. So let's move on to the deodorant, because I haven't used their deodorant before. I got the deodorant in Santal Bloom. But this is kind of just my initial review, right, of the scents and how I like the products. So let's go back to my bathroom. So on their website, they have 2 types of deodorants. I believe this one's like the roll-on liquid version of the deodorant. They also have like one that looks like it's more powdery. Okay, so this is what the deodorant looks like. Also a glass bottle, or what seems to be a glass bottle. Okay, Santal Bloom. I don't know if y'all can see that. This bottle is only 1.7 fluid ounces. And this is aluminum free. So for those that don't really care for aluminum free deodorants, I haven't even tried this yet, but just off the basis of aluminum free deodorants in general, y'all should try it. When you first try it, it might not work that great because your body's used to using aluminum deodorants, but give it some time. There might be little things you can do online so that it works better for you off initially making the switch. But you know, from what I've heard, it's healthier for you. It's better for you not to have all that aluminum up here, you know? So I tend these days to go for aluminum-free deodorants. That being said, I'm excited to smell this again because, like I said, I smelled the body wash version in store. Off initially taking off the cap, I can smell a little something, something. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this. Feels a little weird applying deodorant on camera. But yeah, it glides on nice and clear. And it does smell good. I like that smell a lot. I might have put too much. But yes, it smells really good. I don't know what the notes of this one are, but it's another warm scent. Like if you like vanilla, you're probably also going to like Santal Bloom. I do feel like this has a stronger scent. I don't know if it's just because it's the deodorant itself where the formulation has the scent stronger than the body oils, but I can smell this more. But at the same time, yes, it's a warm scent, but it also feels fresh. I just feel like it's gonna do its job. I don't know what to say. Like, this is an initial review, okay? So if it don't work, like, don't come for me because I'm just now trying it out for the first time. I'll let y'all know with time how I feel about it. Like, I'll probably check in with y'all maybe end of day today. How about that? I'll check in with y'all end of day and let y'all know if my arm starts thinking of something crazy, okay? But yeah, I'm happy with this deodorant. I'm happy with the application, very easy. I'm happy with it going on clear. I tend to go for deodorants these days that go on clear because I hate like the white powdery look when, you know, the white powdery deodorants get caught up between the folds of your skin. I don't like that. So that's why I opt to go for clear looking deodorants like this. 5% AHA. Our Serum deodorant is formulated with a multi-acid blend that acidifies the skin to combat odor, brighten the look of discoloration, and smooth and reduce the look of ingrown hairs. So not only is this aluminum free, but it's also addressing discoloration in your underarms. So if you're someone that has a lot of discoloration in your underarms, this is good, or it says that it should be helping to combat that. I'll be interested to see if I notice a difference with time, because I do intend to use this entire bottle, assuming that it works as a deodorant and, you know, takes care of odor. Sorry, I'm just, I think I applied too much. I just kept going, you know what I'm saying? If I'm being 100% honest, I wouldn't mind if the oil was a little bit more strong in scent, because I don't really feel like I smell much. But literally all I'm gonna do is just layer. Like, if I was about to go out right now, I would probably go in my little cabinet and grab either this perfume, which is number 71 Brazilian Crush Caramelized Vanilla and Macadamia. This smells so good, y'all. For those that love vanilla, you love the smell of just smelling like, I don't know, edible. Like, this smells amazing. My girl Alicia put me onto this. But literally what I would do is just spritz right on top of my oil. And I feel like combining that with the oil is gonna help me to smell like that all day long. Or, this is also for the vanilla girlies, I would either layer that or my Kayali Vanilla 28. So for those that don't know, this is Kayali's Vanilla 28. I know this is an unboxing for Saltair, but this is related, okay? So this has brown sugar, musk, amberwood, vanilla orchid, and tonka absolute. And so this is a nice, warm, and kind of spicy fragrance that I would also just layer on top. And I think it would work beautifully, so. That's my advice. Ah! I'm a little clumsy. That's my advice for anyone that likes vanilla scents that is ordering the Saltwater Vanilla collection. If you're getting the body oil and you want the scent of vanilla to be a little stronger, I would suggest layering Sol de Janeiro 71 or Kayali's Vanilla 28. Then you'll be all nice and vanilla'd up. But that's it for my initial unboxing and my initial review. Like I said, I'm gonna log back in or check back in with y'all tonight, just to let you know, as far as odor control, how the deodorant did in that regard. And y'all, catch y'all in a few hours. Not a few, a lot. I'll catch y'all in a lot of hours. I'll catch y'all tonight, okay? Hey y'all, just checking back in. It's only been 2 hours, but I did wanna make a note that I feel like the deodorant smells really good. When I initially applied it, I feel like I was nose blind because of the body oil. I didn't really smell the deodorant as potently. But when I smell my underarms, it smells warm and luscious. There's no bad odor either. It just smells lovely. I'll check back in tonight before I take a shower and get ready for bed and let you know my final thoughts. Hey y'all, so it's currently 9:22. As far as the body oil, my skin is still really soft. It feels moisturized. However, the sheen has kind of gone down quite a bit. As far as the deodorant, there's no foul odor. I have been cooking the past couple hours. I could still smell remnants of the deodorant. It's extremely subtle at this point though, but it still smells kind of warm and inviting. Even though I've literally been in the kitchen sweating, like not all up down my body or nothing, but like my underarms right now are like slightly, TMI, slightly damp because I've been, you know, in the kitchen, water whipping. I would definitely recommend this deodorant. And as far as the oil, give me some months. I might come back and do an additional Saltair review, how I ended up liking this oil and if I'm going to be purchasing again. So thank y'all for watching this review. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.